In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Captcha error. If you're stuck on a captcha that won't load or keeps failing when you try to log in or make a purchase, don't worry, this usually comes down to a browser hiccup, a network issue, or cache data getting in the way. Follow along and we'll get you back into Steam smoothly. Start with the simplest reset. Refresh the Steam web page and give the captcha a moment to reload. If the page has been sitting open for a while, a quick refresh can re-establish a clean session. If that doesn't help, fully close and restart your browser. This clears temporary glitches that can prevent the captcha from rendering or verifying correctly. If you're still stuck, try switching to a different browser. Some browser builds or configurations don't play nicely with the captcha provider Steam uses. Moving to a mainstream option like Chrome or Firefox is a fast way to rule out compatibility problems without changing anything else on your system. Next, check your connection. Captchas can fail when your IP address looks unusual or changes frequently. If you're using a VPN, disable it temporarily. Then restart your router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds and plugging it back in to get a fresh connection. While it restarts, keep an eye on your connection stability. Frequent drops can interrupt captcha verification. Once you're back online, try loading the captcha again. Make sure both your browser and the Steam app are up to date. Outdated versions can have bugs that break embedded login or web views. Updating to the latest release ensures you have the newest security fixes and compatibility improvements, which often resolve stubborn captcha behavior. If the issue persists, clear your browser's cache and cookies. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Choose All Time and select cache images and files as well as cookies and other site data. Be aware this will sign you out of websites, which is normal. Clearing this data removes corrupted or outdated files that can block captcha scripts. Finally, clear Steam's web cache. Open Steam, go to Steam, then Settings, then In-Game, and select Delete Web Browser Data. This resets Steam's internal browser, which the client uses for logins and store pages. After clearing, restart Steam and try the captcha again. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.